Module 101, Student Learning Target 3, Game Changer Script Basics. Game Changer Script is a domain-specific language, or DSL. Communication to the Game Changer wallet is done through scripts, and the code is in a JSON-based language. So if you look at the script here, you have code segments, and the JSON is basically run as a programming language. So each block is executed and can have some results, and from that you can create information which you can use to make the wallet do stuff. And you can also return results. So you could return results to dApps. GCScript has function calls. A function call is a JSON object with a type property. Its value is the name of the function. So example here is the type getCurrentAddress. It has no arguments. And the result of this will end up in the Game Changer cache for later retrieval. There's a limited set of function calls, around 40. There's also an example here given with the type data, and all these arguments can be value, and with the value argument you can specify constants. Game Changer Script also has blocks of code. GCScript has a nested function call. A block of code is defined by the script function. So we have type script. And the body is a key value map or list. They are passed on the run argument. JSON arguments can be passed into block context to the arguments property. Cache and exports. Game Changer needs to store its data and also send this data back to the dApp. Locally, a block of code and its descendants has a cache, a local scope memory space where a child function calls store their results. In order to return data from script execution back to the dApp, data needs to be exported from the local cache into a unique global export object. This can be done by passing an export as property with the name of those exports. Game Changer has an inline scripting language. ISL is a limited subset of JavaScript. You can run a script inside the macro function call. A very important function is the get function in the macro, which allows you to retrieve data from the cache.